Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and welcome to another Christmas decorating video. Today we are decorating my coffee bar. I love to decorate this area. We're gonna keep it somewhat simple. I don't wanna overdo it. It can feel very crowded when you put too much decor over there, and we use that space every single day for making coffee, it's where we keep our air fryers, so the kids use it every day. So just don't wanna make it too crowded. So glad you guys are here. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we jump back into today's video, I have to give a huge shout out to today's video sponsor, Birch Living, the mattress that has changed the way Danny and I sleep forever. Back in May, we upgraded to the Birch Living Luxe Natural Mattress, and let me tell you, we have slept like actual humans again ever since. Every single night. The difference has been unreal. This mattress is fiberglass free and made with responsibly sourced natural materials. We're talking organic cotton, organic wool, and 100% natural latex. It's also free from polyurethane foams, so you're not dealing with any of that weird off-gassing, just clean, breathable materials that feel amazing. One of the reasons we chose Birch Living was honestly the whole experience. Quality, the reviews, and the delivery process. All Birch Living mattresses ship free within the United States, and they offer in-home setup and removal, which is huge. If you've ever tried to get rid of a mattress on your own, you know it's basically a workout and a rage quit moment all wrapped in one. Birch handled everything and it made the switch a breeze. Since sleeping on our Birch mattress, both of us have noticed a huge difference. I wake up with less aches and pains, and Danny, who usually overheats at night, actually sleeps cool and comfortably now. The support is amazing, the comfort is next level, and honestly, I struggle to sleep in any other bed now. Once you're spoiled, you're spoiled. As two busy working parents, getting real restorative sleep is everything. More energy, better moods, and a calmer morning routine. Birch has genuinely helped us with all of that. We love our Birch mattress, and I think you will too, and now is the best time to invest in a Birch Living mattress. They have their Black Friday sale going on right now. I'll have the link for you down in the description box, and use my code BirchPartner27, and that's gonna get you 27% off your Birch mattress. And it's totally risk-free. Birch gives you a 100-night sleep trial. That's over 3 months to make sure that you absolutely love it. Again, I'll have everything linked for you down in the description box, and use my code BirchPartner27 to get 27% off your order. And again, thank you to Birch Living for not only making sure that Danny and I are getting the best night's sleep of our lives, but for sponsoring today's video. Before we get started, I just want to mention my sweatshirt. This is from Walmart, and I believe it's technically like a sleep sweatshirt. I found it like in the pajama section. It was, I don't remember how much it was. I'll put it here on the screen for you, but it is unbelievably cozy. It's thin enough that you can wear it, you know, like around your house and not, you know, just when you're going out. And I think you can sleep in this. Like, it is really, really cozy. And I just have it paired with a pair of Walmart jeans. I'll have everything linked for you down in the description box, and I'll link anything I can from my decor. A lot of it is stuff that I've already owned though, so I may not be able to link it for you, but I'll link anything I can. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Let's get into the decorating. Okay, my friends, we're going to go ahead and get started by hanging some garland. This red beaded garland, I believe, is from Michael's maybe. I believe I've had it for several years, but I'm sure you can find something very similar, if not the same, from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. We're going to start off on one shelf here. This is always the shelf I start at. When you guys decorate your home for the holiday, do you find yourself doing it in a similar way, like a similar pattern, kind of like how you shower, you do all the same things in the same order? I always seem to do that. So we're starting off here on the right-hand side, and I'm starting by adding in this fabric napkin into this vintage crock. And these napkins, I mentioned these in my kitchen decorating video. They are from Home Goods. They're from the Rachel Ashwell Farmhouse line, and I love them. I think they're so cute, and I just love that red that they bring in. And I also added in a faux hanging plant. That's from Michael's, and I had taken it out during fall to just put all the orange things, but we're going to go ahead and put the green things back now. I'm also tying a red ticking stripe ribbon to this little breadboard. This is from Home Goods, I think, I've had it for a long time, but I'm pretty sure that's where it's from. We're also going to bring in this sign that says hot cocoa. This is a new sign. I got this year from Browns and Hopkins country store, and I love it. The Santa mug is from Pottery Barn. I have several of those. They're a collection. And then that little gingerbread cookie, that is from Hobby Lobby this year. I think it's adorable. That little tiny match holder right there is from Browns and Hopkins as well. And those really cute little tree picks are from Hobby Lobby. I have them for every season and I love them. Moving to the other side, I'm starting off by adding greenery here to this pitcher. This pitcher is from Antique Farmhouse, and I love the unique shape of it. It's really pretty. It looks handmade, and I'm just adding in some silver dollar eucalyptus. I know that silver dollar eucalyptus is not everybody's jam, but I love it. It's my favorite greenery to decorate with. I'm also going to tie another piece of the ticking stripe ribbon to this picture as well. This is such an easy way to bring in color for any decorating that you're doing for the season. You can match it to your decor and it just looks really nice and it's super simple and you can leave out the decor you already have. This little glass canister is from Hobby Lobby. It's a smaller version of the big ones that I have in the kitchen. And I am filling it with these adorable snowman marshmallows. I almost said snowman mushrooms. Snowman marshmallows that I picked up from the Browns and Hopkins country store as well. These are so cute. And there's nothing cuter than a little snowman marshmallow floating around in your hot chocolate. And my boys drink a hot chocolate every single day almost. They love it. And I just buy like the big giant box of powdered Swiss Miss because that's what they love. I could make them the homemade stuff and they would much prefer the powdered stuff. Well, the homemade powder versus the powder you buy at the store is what I meant. But having a cute little snowman marshmallow in your hot chocolate just makes the season. So I love to have these on hand. You can also find them at Home Goods a lot of the time. I also have this antique muffin tin here, and again, another Santa mug because we are decorating for Christmas after all. Another one of those faux cookies, and then we're going to bring in a little bit of greenery. I was trying to figure out what was missing for over here, and then I also realized I did not have the red napkin over here, and I pulled in a matching oven mitt to bring in that same color. And I think I did something very similar to this last year. And I just love how this looks. It's part of the kitchen, so it's kind of baking inspired, gingerbread, and kind of gives off the vibe that we're in Santa's kitchen. I think it's really, really cute and very sweet. Moving back over to the other side now, we're going to go ahead and hang these adorable gingerbread mugs. I got these at Home Goods last year, I believe, or TJ Maxx, and I think they're so cute. I leave them there for decoration, by the way. We're not going to actually drink out of those. Somebody could, but I leave them there for decoration. My husband and I both use travel mugs because we are slow sippers and like to bring our coffee everywhere we go. So we're not really going to use those, but they're there if somebody needs them. I'm also going to add in some more faux eucalyptus stems here to this tall pitcher. I have had this tall pitcher for quite some time, for several years as a matter of fact. It's from Hearth and Hand and I just love the height and it helps to kind of camouflage the plugs that are behind it from our coffee makers. That's the whole purpose of having this here. I wanted something a little bit taller to hide those. I'm also going to go ahead and remove that canister right there. That's where we keep our collagen powder that we put in our coffee. And I'm bringing in one of those glass cookie jars from Target. I got these either last year or the year before, and I love them. I'm just waiting for my next can to be delivered so I can refill it. I also have these adorable little dessert plates. These are from Home Goods. There's Santa with his little martini after a long day, and I love them. So I'm going to go ahead and stack them over here by the coffee, and we're just going to put a little spoon so that we can stir our coffee. And then the last little touch that we're going to add, because we don't want to overdo it, are these ribbon trees. These are from Walmart, and I think they're really pretty. We're going to go ahead and wipe things down. I was covering everything in glitter between the gingerbread cookies and those little trees right there. Everything had glitter. So we're going to wipe this down. I did also add a Santa picture to our skylight calendar that was in my office, but we have since moved it back out here. It just seems like it's easier for the kids if it's out here. And I'm just taking a second to check to make sure that they're doing their chores, and we're just going to wipe everything down. And that's going to do it, my friends, for a sweet little coffee bar decorate with me. I hope that you enjoyed this little video. I had fun making it, and I'm really looking forward to finishing up my Christmas decorating. We've still got the dining room to do. We also have the entryway, the front porch, and the powder room, the guest bathroom. So still lots more decorating. Hopefully you guys are here for it. And we've got Vlogmas around the corner. So make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, my friends.